We have just created 100 shorts in less than 15 minutes. And all for free, just using artificial intelligence. These kind of YouTube channels get a lot of views each day. Look at this. All the channels are faceless. And they earn a lot of money as well. So, the question is how they do that. Now I'm going to teach you how to create 100 YouTube or Instagram shorts in less than 15 minutes. So smash that like button to let me know you appreciate my content. Firstly, go to ChatGPT and write this paragraph on it. 100 questions including the specific columns you will understand later. And try not to include emojis of flags, they give some problems in Canva. So ChatGPT starts to work on it. It takes just a few seconds. If it gets stuck, just write continue. So now, it's time to go to Canva. Once in Canva, you will need to start a free trial of Canva Pro. Don't worry for the money because you can cancel it after buying it so that you enjoy a full month without paying after it. Now, click on Videos and Mobile Videos. Go to Elements and write question tags on it. Now, you will look for the background you like the most. In my case, I like the orange background. Press on it and bring it to the paper. Once you have it, it is time to start writing the title. Go to Text section. This process is subjective. Again, just make it look personal so that your videos are unique. What I am writing is, can you guess the answer? I'm going to make it bigger, haha. This looks strange, so go to Effects to make it more creative. Hahaha, not that. Bring it to the top. Alright, now let's create the question and the answer. You can copy-paste it from ChatGPT so it's faster. I won't use a background for the question so that it does not look repetitive. That looks nice. Now I'm creating the answer. You can copy-paste again, haha. Here a green background matches very well. Finally, the emoji. To make it look more professional, let's add a very common timer in quizzes. So pressing the R, you gate a square that you will transform into a timer. Add it to the bottom. Alright, now it is the time of the animations. Here you can choose whatever you want. Just be creative, haha. Don't worry about all being together. We will fix this later. While I am finishing the animation, I would appreciate if you like and subscribe to this new channel. I promise to bring new, exciting content that will help you. The animations are almost finished. You have to add the wipe animation to the timer. That is a must, hahaha. And make sure to lower the speed to the minimum. Alright, now let's adjust the timing so it looks nice. I put the answer in the last 1.5 second. I think that looks great, but adjust it as you want. Let's see this. Here I made a mistake. Let's see this. Almost done. Let's make some little adjustments before going to the magic trick, haha. Alright, but don't think we need to repeat this 99 more times. Now, it is my favorite moment. Go to Apps. Write bulk, create. Now, it is time to copy-paste the table from ChatGPT. I will add the remaining questions. If there are flags, just delete the row. Where is the question 100? Here it is. Ha 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 ha. Make sure to add the proper titles. It is time to connect the data. It is very intuitive. Make sure not to make a mistake. Finally, let's generate our 100 shorts, or 99 haha. Here's some examples of our videos. Awesome! Now let's download our videos. As you can see, it is very easy and fast. If you want separate videos, press this checkbox. And that is, thanks for watching and see you very soon.